Oh my goodness. You know, I'm getting a little too old for this, I'll be honest. Right now we're looking at a arm day, that's for sure. JM press and single arm preacher curls, that's for sure. I tried to set up like a Smith machine skull crusher, but it felt like too funky on like my shoulder, so we're not gonna go for it. No point. We're gonna need to find another bicep movement to do, maybe, and we're gonna go like another tricep movement for sure. So, um, pretty solid. I actually didn't calculate the amount of carbs I had, but I had like 99 Starburst jelly beans, 3 cups of applesauce. So we're definitely deep in the 100s and deep into the hydration too. So, no need to keep talking about it. No need to envision it. It's time to put it into play. Warmed up already, so about ready to get this done. We're gonna throw a 10 on the side, actually, just to make it a little bit heavier. You do want to progress as often as possible. So I think a little 10 on the side, turn it into 135 pounds. The day I can JM press like 3 plates, bro, that's how I'll know I've made it. Definitely too damn light. Come on. Okay. Ooh, whoa. Did I, did I almost just die just now? That would have been I was gonna say it probably would have got age restricted, but you know, I've seen some pretty crazy things not get age restricted. Let's just say that. Ooh, what was that, like 11? That's actually not that bad. Um, yeah, I don't think that's that bad actually. I'm still not taking it back though. It was too light. Um, Usually not a fan of like adding weight as the set goes on, but what's that? 135, um, 140, 145. Okay. Oh man, that's more like it. Oh, come on. Okay. Where have these been all my life? Only damn question I got. This is a phenomenal exercise that I've been missing out on. You know? My left arm probably would be strong as my right one if I've had access to this, but wasn't using my head. And we're gonna sort of rest pause that damn left arm. I'm positive that my right arm can get more than 5, so.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Pretty sure my right arm could get 8. Like, shut up. No, it can't. No, it can't. I'm a fraud for that.
Okay.
I don't think I would have got another one, so I'm gonna take like a, I'm pretty sure that was 0 rare. So take a few seconds to maybe unlock another one. I'm pretty positive I wouldn't have got another one. Like, I'd be leaving it too ambiguous. No, I 100%. You know what? I 100% would have got another one. I gotta stop being a damn wimp.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Come on. Okay.
Damn it, this damn dumbbell keeps bouncing off of the damn seat.
Come on. Okay.
Well, I need about 3 more on the left one. That'll be 7 on each. I had no clue how difficult this damn exercise was. I end up scrapping the recording of when I tried these the first time. So this may seem a little spontaneous and out of nowhere, but it's been in the plans for past couple of damn days. It's been about a decent amount of damn time. I should be able to get 3 more, you know.
Come on. Okay.
All right. Oh, this damn dumbbell, whatever. Looks like we're going with the muscle imbalance today. Because that seventh one isn't happening.
Okay.
Though this is like great that I like started doing this and everything, I hate it. I'll be honest. I don't like how bad of a muscle imbalance, how a strength imbalance. The strength imbalance in between both of my biceps is very demotivating. But demotivation can be a motivation. So I'm gonna use that to lock in and do what I gotta do.
Okay. Okay.
I kind of knew I was gonna get that. Kind of just wanted to try it out. I just wanted to try and see. It was like one of those in between ambiguous reps where I can't really tell if that was it.
Okay.
Damn it, man. I was in denial. I was in denial. It definitely was too damn light. Whew.
Okay.
I think 60 will be a little, non-cardiovascular like.
Okay.
60, extremely damn close to the cable system. And got it up about at hip level. So, bunch of different reasons, anatomy and science and physics is why it's more difficult doing it this way. Not that needed an explanation anyway. Y'all are smart. I mean, you're sub to me after all.
Okay.
It's not necessarily like the quality of reps that I'm like the biggest fan of, but these will get the job done for sure. Oh gosh. Problem is, I don't know how the hell I'm gonna track these in the levels that now that I'm thinking about it. Because I mean, all of these aren't full reps. I'm really just trying to like get some level of volume to make my damn arm pump look better. It's a little immature, I'll be honest. But I don't feel like training shoulder. So it's either this or nothing, which sometimes nothing is better. But we'll go with this though.
Okay. Okay. Whew. Okay.
All right. Honestly, I think a set of biceps, one more set of biceps, and I'll be done. So all I did was go over to the damn preacher curl machine, do a set of single arm, and then kind of just threw the damn stack to the bottom almost, and you know, nothing too crazy. That's actually not that bad though. It's definitely not that bad. I honestly think I've just been overtraining biceps, I'll be honest. Like the past year and a half, definitely been overdoing it. That's a good thing. Being able to acknowledge I've been doing things incorrectly or something, it's a part of being a lifter, you know? You don't want to be stuck in the damn old, you don't want to be stuck in the last patch, last arc, you know? Unable to acknowledge your issues. That's how you surpass them. So what was that, like 3 sets in total, 4 max? And I mean, they're pumped as if I did 20. Probably not 20, but you get the point though. This is yeah, I'll say that was a success overall, relatively. Not that bad. Definitely insanely hungry. So I'm gonna go home and eat a, you know, ridiculous, preposterous amount of damn food. And do it all over again. Do it all over again and again and again and over and over and over and over and over. And before you know it, before you know it,
Okay.
good thing I caught that my damn camera situation was not as optimal as I would have liked it to be, but we are back on the way home. Didn't really talk about much either, just the workout really. Those damn JM press are fire. I don't know, next time to start with 155. We are progressing, man. Like 155 is insanely close to 2 plates, bro. And 2 plates, JM pressing 2 plates is just absolute nonsense, like malarkey levels of damn strength in my opinion. I don't feel my damn chest at all. I know if you like look at my chest when I do a rep, it like shows my chest squeezing, but that's just by simply like moving my arms away from my body, you know what I'm saying? But there's no, like my chest isn't completely recovered from the last chest day, and I can tell if it's being hit. I can tell if I'm working it, and I'm not working it. Like it's all tricep. I mean, like it's so damn fire. And I don't know, man. I sort of feel like I just discovered the fire for the first time, bro. JM presses are fire. We're gonna keep those up, keep doing those. Then in terms of the biceps though, man, I'm damn salty about those damn single arm preacher curls. I feel like I should have been doing those like my entire damn life. I feel like I've been missing out. I feel like I've been holding myself back from gains by not doing like a single arm preacher curl. Been doing like a lot of bilateral, and I'm not even talking about just like as of late and recently. I mean like in general, I've sort of spammed the preacher curl machine with both arms, dumbbell curls, both arms. I mean, it's never really been unilateral. You know what I'm saying? So I'm a little salty about that. You know, we're just gonna keep on working it, and you know, eventually we'll be moving some ridiculous ass weight. They feel good though, and even though they don't like feel traditional in regards to how my biceps normally feel when they're getting hit and normally feel when they're getting pumped up, they are still pumped at the end of the damn workout. So it's a bit hilarious, but we're gonna keep doing those, keep spamming those, you know, throw some unilateral stuff in for biceps and whatnot. Probably gonna start doing a little more unilateral stuff in general. But yes. What else is there to talk about? Surplus starting soon. I'm thinking for these next couple of training sessions, just sort of like phone it in, you know. I don't mean train like a damn wimp, but just prepare for what we're getting ready to start here. You know, I haven't done like the math. I'm gonna do like a final weigh-in and like a video where I like do like a full sort of, this is how I look at the end of my maintenance time to throw myself in a bit of a surplus and really get to cooking, literally and figuratively. This past couple of weeks I've been like eating like a lot more drinking pre-made protein shakes, eating protein bars, and yada yada yada, sort of giving myself a break from tracking and cooking. And sort of like a deload. Yeah. There's so much talk about programming and deloading. What's the damn programming like for your diet? Let's talk about that. I think those are the damn questions we need to be asking, the questions that need answering. I would say in my like cutting phases, I definitely find myself tracking literally every single speck, ounce, and decimal of food that goes in my body, which is how it should be in a damn calorie deficit. You know, I'm not patting myself on the back or anything, but similar for a bulk. I mean, like for a bulk, I'm more likely to, you know, maybe like scarf down a few chips on the side and not track it. But overall, I'm tracking everything, I'm cooking everything, because I'm not just eating damn fast food every day. And that gets tiring. That gets like a little, you know, gets a little, but very similar to a rest pause set. You give yourself some energy, give yourself a little bit of a break. And similar to how you unlock a couple of more reps, you unlock a couple of more weeks/months of tracking your calories with no fatigue and not feeling the feelings of meticulousness that it actually has, you know what I'm saying? So we haven't been tracking too crazy as of late. I've been making sure I've been hitting my protein, or like ballparking it at least, but we definitely haven't been putting stuff in our nutrition app. So like hypothetically, if I show you the nutrition log for today and the other days throughout this week, you're not gonna see all the damn Jimmy John sandwiches and Subway and other damn mumbo jumbo that I've been scarfing down. Ooh. We are okay. That was not a crash. It was just a very devious pothole, and I don't have the like lock installed on my like mount for my camera. Oh, it's not even showing my damn face right now. Oh my gosh. Can we just have one regular ride where I don't almost spill it or something? But we are arriving to the headquarters. Probably not gonna track what I'm getting ready to eat. Just remain on topic to what I've been talking about. Probably not gonna track it, but I'm definitely craving some potatoes. Jelly toast. Might whip up like damn 6 pieces of that. We'll see when I get in here.